Using the battery option on ZD411, ZD421, ZD611, and ZD621 printers. In this video, you will learn how to set up and use the battery option. Your printer and base may look slightly different, but the process is the same. Begin by removing all media from the printer. Position the printer upside down. Position the battery housing on the bottom of the printer as shown. Attach the housing to the printer using the supplied screws. Position the printer right side up. Align the slots on top of the battery and the alignment rails on the sides of the battery with the guide rails on the battery housing. Slide the battery carefully into the housing until it locks into place. Attach the power supply to the power input. Press the battery control button to wake the battery. Verify that the health indicator is illuminated. The health indicator will be amber when the battery is charging. When the health indicator changes to solid green, charging is complete. Check the battery charge status at any time by pressing the battery control button. To remove the battery from the base, first disconnect the power supply. Press firmly on the latch and pull away from the printer. The battery can be charged when not mounted in the battery housing by attaching the power supply for the printer to the battery. Check the battery charge status at any time by pressing the battery control button. The battery can be placed into a shutdown mode to preserve charge when the battery is not in use. To place the battery into shutdown mode, disconnect the power supply. Press and hold the battery control button for about 10 seconds or until the charge indicators flash 3 times.